cannot fulfill his or her duties, the first runner-up assume the title and responsibility of the Employee of the Year 2024. Yes, Employee of the Year po talaga ang target ko. But kung sino man po ang mananalo ngayong gabi nito, if you did not fulfill your duties, I am here to represent you. Just kidding aside, on a serious note, I am truly honored to receive the Strive Volunteerism in Individual category. And I want to express my heartfelt thanks for this recognition, kahit mukha na po akong pang-group category. Being part of these so many extracurricular activities organized by our HR, the Employee Engagement Group, has been genuinely rewarding experience. Whether it's a sports fest, community outreach program, or individual engagement initiatives, I've always believed in the value of this effort brings not just only the organization, but the people within my ASTI fam. This award is meaningful to me because it reflects the spirit of collaboration and connection we work so hard to build. Seda, mainit sa harap. I had the privilege to contribute, or I could say I had the privilege of contributing alongside colleagues who bring energy, creativity, and passion in everything they do. It's just the collective effort that make these activities so impactful and enjoyable. I encourage everyone to get involved in the many HR engagement opportunities we have throughout the year. Hindi po ako part ng HR. These moments, whether big or small, help us build stronger relationship, discover shared passion, and contribute to a positive and inclusive work culture. Whether you are a new employee to the company or have been here for years, your participation truly makes a difference. Thank you once again for this recognition. I am grateful to be part of ASTICOM that values not only what we do, but we come together as ASTI family. I look forward seeing even more of us joining and shaping the experiences that makes our workplace thrive. Again, mabuhay ASTICOM, mabuhay. On the other note, I would like to say thank you to the following. Hindi ko na po kayo papangalanan dahil baka madelikado pa ang buhay ko. But Boss Kai, Sir Ato, to the board members, maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That's SG Lacochera to all social media accounts. And lastly, I would like to thank you for my team, Ate Erica for my H1. I would like to thank you to my Toonies for my special photographer and video, to Brandla, my stylist, and also Gay RTW from Debois. You know Debois? That's Divisoria. Thank you so much for my outfit. Ang ganda ko tonight. Again, thank you so much, Astima. Good evening. Sir, thank you so much.
Thank you to our volunteerism award.